Okay, let's try this parabola and a line question. Here's the parabola f of x, and they say it's 2x squared minus 6x minus 20. There's your parabola, and they even show you that it's f. Then there's a line g here, a straight line that's mx plus k. It's further given that DE is parallel to the x-axis and FC is parallel to the y-axis. That's kind of important for getting some coordinates and things. They also tell us that from C to F is 12 units, so that means you must be going down 12 here to get to C. That's pretty useful. Now let's just try this. It says determine the coordinates of D, the turning point of F. Well, how do you find the turning point? Well, isn't there minus b over 2a? You take the negative of negative 6 over 2 times 2, and that's what we do. The negative of negative 6 over 2 times 2, that's 6 over 4. The axis of symmetry is the line where x is always equal to 3/2. And the turning point lies on the axis of symmetry. We can tell it's pretty darn negative here. That'd be minus 20, so it should be a little bit less than 20. And you take 3/2 and you plug it into this function here, f of 3/2, and you put it in your calculator, and it tells you that it's about 24.5. 49 divided by 2, exactly minus 49 over 2. That's the coordinates of D, the turning point of F. Now it says determine the coordinates of A and B and their x-intercepts. Well, to find an x-intercept, you know what to do. Make y equal 0. So we do. And then we divide everything by 2, and we're looking at a nice, easy thing to factor, because 2 times 5 is 10. And plus 2x minus 5x gives you the minus 3x. So x is minus 2. Minus 2 and 0 are the coordinates of A. 5 and 0 are the coordinates of B. Now, the next question may be a little trickier. Show that C has coordinates of 4 and minus 12. Or a minus 12. How do we know it's minus 12? Oh, yeah, they said CF is 12 units. And you're going down. So that explains the minus 12. But how are we going to figure out 4? Well, why don't we just take minus 12 and put it in for y, and then solve for x and see if we get 4. That'd be nice. And it's a few marks, so they want to see some algebra here. So that's what you do. If y is minus 12, so if f of x is minus 12, we just put minus 12 in for f of x. And we're going to solve this. We're going to add 12 to minus 20. We get minus 8. We're going to divide everything by 2. We're going to factor. 4 times 1 is 4, minus 4 times 1. There's your minus 3. So there's minus 4x plus 1x is minus 3x. So there's two things it'll be. X is minus 1 here. Hey, it does. In the other place, anyways, x is 4. X is 4 makes y minus 12. That's just the truth of it. Yeah. So if y is minus 12, x is 4. And there's your solution. And that's it.